Here's why I didn't report Bethenny Frankel's attorney to the bar. For reference, this is the letter that Bethenny Frankel's attorney, Karen Gottlieb, sent me, and in it had this absolutely bogus thing that said, you can't tell anyone about this letter unless it's your lawyer. You can't disclose any part of this letter. Basically, it implied that there was some type of confidentiality with Bethenny Frankel and I. There is no confidentiality with Bethenny Frankel and I. There never has been, there never will be. So to imply that we have some type of confidentiality is, in my opinion, kind of deceitful. And when you're an attorney and you send a letter like this, I think it is a very gross use of your power and privilege. So I talked to a couple of attorneys about this, and I showed them, some of them I showed the letter to, and they said, you could report Karen Gottlieb to the New York bar because she knows that this is not confidential information, and she is, wielding her power in a way that they were like, it probably is unethical. They weren't my lawyers, so they were just like, this is what I would say. But I ended up having a conversation with one lawyer, and basically I was like, listen though, if this woman would send a letter like this, which they were like, they had said to me, they were like, that's grossly unethical. They were like, if she would send a letter like this, I'm like, what else is she capable of? And if this one, Bethenny Frankel, allows letters to go out with her name attached to it that basically legally bully people, in my opinion, what is she capable of, right? So if I go and report this woman to the bar and she gets in some type of trouble, what is this woman right down here, Bethenny Frankel, what is she gonna do to me? What is Karen Gottlieb gonna do to me? And I know probably making this video isn't like, whatever they can, but like if I felt like if I went for her actual like standing with the New York bar, that they would do something absolutely unhinged to me. And, at the end of the day, is it worth it? When you already know they are deeply unethical people. So anyway, I really, really wish that brands and celebrities and legal firms would stop doing this to people, because it is scary. It isn't okay. And in my opinion, it should not be allowed.